guys, welcome back. We are doing some spring cleaning today. This is my first spring cleaning video of 2023, so I'm super pumped. So stay tuned because there will be more. I've got lots of places in the house that need to be spring cleaned. Got my spring inspired shirt on here with all my pretty flowers, so I'm just so ready to go. Starting with the kitchen, that's my main focus. We are going to be scrubbing it from top to bottom, literally starting with the lights, dusting the blinds, the cabinets, and scrubbing the floor. I'm gonna be getting on my hands and knees, doing it the old-fashioned way. I just feel like it really needs a good, thorough scrubbing. And I'm doing a little mini spring decor haul. I didn't get a lot of spring decor, just a few pieces. I'll be able to add to it in the future, but I'll show you what I got, tell you where I got it from, and then after we clean, we'll do a little bit of decorating. So stay tuned, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly go over everything I picked up and I'll tell y'all where I found it. So I'll start over on this side. Everything over here I found at the Dollar Tree. I got this little roll of twine there and this floral moss. This really pretty fresh carrot sign. These little carrots, this came in a 6-pack. And this bunny I found at the Dollar Tree, but he was $3. I found this sweet little basket at Hobby Lobby and I had it in mind for these carrots. So I'm gonna put some of the moss in the bottom and I'll lay the carrots on top. And these candles I found, if you saw my latest Aldi haul, I found these at Aldi and they smell so beautiful. They smell just like spring. This vase I already had, so I'm gonna use that for these tulips. Now these tulips I found in the dollar spot at Target. I was really feeling the tulip vibe this year. It just makes me think of spring automatically. So I got a bunch of the soft pink ones from Target and I'll probably put them in that vase and then wrap some of the twine around it. Now I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to utilize these eggs, but I really liked them, and you know how sometimes they won't have the same thing from year to year, so I went ahead and got them just in case if they don't have them next year. But I just love the little wooden eggs, so I got those. This little nest I found at Hobby Lobby and it looked a little different earlier. It had some little flowers on it. I'll show you what it looked like real quick. I liked the more natural look, so I took the flowers and the ribbon off and used this little nest. This sweet little porcelain bunny was in the dollar spot at Target. Super cute. These sweet little birds, I just love them so much. I love everything about them. I love the color. They're just so pretty. And I found these at Hobby Lobby. Now this bird cage I found at Target in the dollar spot. Love it, and these little guys fit perfect in there. Now all this stuff I got for my tier tray. I found this cross. I found this little wooden beaded tassel decoration. I found this at Hobby Lobby. This little sweet house, or it could be a church. Honestly, I found it at Hobby Lobby. And this really pretty wooden egg. So I'm kind of going with like a white and wooden theme for my tier tray. And then I found this candle at Target in the dollar spot. And there's my tier tray, so I'm really excited to put it together and see how it turns out. And these are some things I already had. I found this little jar at Hobby Lobby in February, and this is a fun little plant that I actually had already. I believe I found it at Michael's several years ago, and I just love how real it looks, so I use this one a lot. And then all this greenery I had already, so we are going to get to cleaning first, and then after we're done, then we will decorate. Window, and it's stuck. It's as high as I can get it. So I had full intentions of like opening all the windows in the house, and I struggled so much with just the kitchen windows. Our house is a little older, and these windows, I guess just with all the paint and just the years of aging the windows, they just are not as easy to open as I was hoping. So I just got a little bit of fresh air in the house and I just started cleaning. I started with the light and getting all the dust off and the light over the sink. And you can see my little helper here. She's all right up in the middle of everything. I'm just scrubbing all the cabinet doors. They needed it so bad. Just getting in all the handles, and it's just going to be so nice to have all these white cabinets just fresh and clean again. I know from at a distance they look fine, but up close you can see all the splatter marks, just dust, things that have built up on them after a while. Like here's a close-up. You can see right here at the kitchen sink on the bottom cabinets, and I'm just so ready to get these all fresh and clean. So let's do this. So y'all drop down in the comments and let me know, have you actually already started your spring cleaning? Did you start super early? Which part of the house did you start with? I started in the kitchen, or decided to start in the kitchen because it is where I am at the most, honestly, and there is so much buildup in here, and I was just so ready to just knock it out and get it all fresh. I definitely have some closets and things that need to get clean and organized, and I need to do a lot of decluttering. We have just a lot of things we just need to get rid of just to make more space. So share with me in the comments any tips and tricks or where you're starting with your spring cleaning this year. I would love to know. So if you're still watching at this part of the video, leave me a green heart emoji in the comments in honor of spring. I just feel like green is just, I mean, there's a lot of colors that represent spring, but green definitely makes me think of spring for sure. I am just so excited about just starting the year off, not only with just cleaning and having a fresh house, but with my YouTube channel. If you've been around here for a little while, I know I have a lot of new subscribers, but I have been trucking along at this thing for a couple of years now, and I'm gonna be honest with you, it has been so much more challenging than I ever anticipated. So if you have people that you watch on YouTube and they post regularly, definitely they deserve a lot of respect, because it is a lot of work to consistently put up videos every week, if not multiple videos, and I just it's something that I'm working harder at. It's just I have waited a long time to be a mom, and I finally am at a place in my life where I'm able to enjoy that, and I'm experiencing that, and my babies come first, and my bonus girls. If you don't know, I'm a stepmom as well, and my husband and all my children come first. They're my heart and my home, and I just really want my home to be a place where everyone feels safe and is just happy to be. And I work very hard, and I just take that very seriously, and I want to take my YouTube channel seriously as well. So that's why I'm like really anchoring in and just trying to post as much as I can, because YouTube is fun for me. Like, it's a creative outlet. It's fun making videos, even though it's a lot of work and very time consuming. I really do enjoy it, and I enjoy building relationships with you guys and just hearing different ideas and hearing what y'all, would like to see, and it's just so much fun. So I'm really working hard at, posting more often. So later on this week, or in a few days from now, I'm actually going to be doing my what I got my kids for Easter video. So definitely make sure that you stop by in a few days to check out my new video. I love you and I hate you, and I hope you feel the same. Come a little next we're gonna wipe down and clean this corner. The high chair is over here on this side, and you can see there's lots of like grubby, yucky stuff. So we're gonna clean that right now. So this little section is an area that is right next to the entrance as you walk into my kitchen, and we have our really neat, it's actually an heirloom record player. Unfortunately, the record player doesn't work anymore. It is from Peter's grandmother, and we have our newer record player sitting on top of it that looks vintage, but it's not. And I just love this little area. It's just so much fun, but it's a great spot to add a little bit of extra decor. So I decided to go ahead and put my carrots and my little green bunny and my fresh carrot sign over here. I just thought it was like the perfect spot. So it's now the next morning. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get everything done in one day. It's hard to do anything by yourself with two littles, so let alone filming yourself cleaning. So I went ahead and I'm dusting the blinds with this fun little gadget. It's a blind cleaning duster tool that I ordered from Temu. I actually have a Temu video. If you didn't see that yet, definitely go check it out. There's a lot of interesting things they have on their website. So I'm doing the blinds today, and then I am vacuuming and cleaning and scrubbing the floor. So that's what I'm getting ready to start doing. Alright, today I'm going to be using, this is what I've been using lately, especially here in the kitchen. The Lysol Brand New Day Multi-Surface Cleaner. This is the mango and hibiscus scent. Smells really good. I only need just a tiny bit, and that way I know it's killing all the germs, or most of them anyways. So let's get to scrubbing. So up underneath the base of the cabinets is definitely a place that gets forgotten about a lot. So I just went around the whole kitchen and scrubbed it really good, got it nice and clean, and then I went ahead and scrubbed the floor. And I do have a spin mop that I love, and it does a great job, but I feel like sometimes you really just got to get down and really get the sticky stuff off, you know, just the old-fashioned way. So that's what I did today. And I'm so glad I did, because my kitchen is so much more clean because of it. And that's pretty much it for today's video. Things are getting ready to wrap up here. I just wanted to say thank you if you are still watching at this point. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.